minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Where? Schoharie Creek and Burtonsville. When? From this afternoon to tomorrow evening. Impacts at 7.0 feet. Water reaches Priddle Camp Road. Additional details at 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Friday the stage was 6.1 feet. Forecast. The river will rise to 6.9 feet late tonight. It will fall below flood stage again early tomorrow afternoon.
Bro, 15
Flood
minutes?
stage is 6.0 feet.
http://www.weather.gov/safety/. 2:30 on this.
Flood. Flood warning in effect from this evening to early tomorrow afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Metcalfe River at Granville. When? From this evening to early tomorrow
This album's an
afternoon.
M-bop, bro.
Impacts at 7.0 feet. Minor flood stage. Widespread flooding of fields along the river. Water on Upper Turnpike Road and Gray Lane. Additional details at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Friday the stage was 7.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise.
I'm trying to watch Southern Pennsylvania WX's stream.
Tonight. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
What the hell was that?
Flood watch remains in effect through Saturday morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where?
I'm trying to watch Southern Pennsylvania WX's stream. All of a sudden, an FLW comes along.